What up, what up, what up? It's your man Tech Mind coming at you with another banger that could put some money in your pockets. Now before we start, y'all know the routine, man. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification so y'all can get these joints early. I think this is an early joint, y'all. This is a brand new mine. It just came out. I just got it from the homie from off the Telegram channel. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta come over here to the crypto corner, man. You know, it's popping already. Yo, shout outs to my man King Ro, man. He been navigating this thing, man. Straight up, man. Yo, enough respect to you, King Ro, man. Word up, man. You helping out so much with the crypto corner Telegram, man. Just wanted to show my appreciation. And the brother Akon, this is who we got this joint BNB from today. My man Akon, thanks for this, man. So I'm definitely gonna be using his link today. You understand me? This is the BNB Factory initial rate. They saying, is that 10 or 18? They saying that's 18% on the initial daily percentage rate. I think it's a 10% joint. It seems like the type of joint that I like. You know, I like a nice simple joint where you just put your money in and you get your rewards every day. No whole bunch of extra stuff. But we're going to navigate through this joint today and see what it's offering. Let's check it out. It says, please read thoroughly all the information below before investing. Sustainability of the project. It says, BNB Factory pays initial 10% daily. This rate is given by the contract and varies according to your actions and those of the other players to keep the game persistent over time. It is inspired by other mining dapps that exist on the other blockchains. The best known is BNB Miner on the BSC. The difference we have with most of these dapps is that we have a 10% initial rate. Our interface is more attractive, we are more transparent, and we organize events. Okay? This is a verified contract, y'all, so y'all know this is definitely a community joint. Can I take my initial BNB back? No. Y'all know y'all can't. Over time, you can get it back 10%. You know what I mean? When's the best time to buy machines? Always. No matter when you buy a machine, you will begin with a return of 10% daily. How often should I compound? We recommend that you compound at least once per day. Y'all know what it is, man. It's the same as it's basically the same as most of these other miners. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give it a try out today. No long thing. Y'all gotta come over here and read all of this yourself. You know what I mean? It got everything there. It got the contract. Let's check a look at the contract real quick. So it looks like this joint been around for about 60 days. Okay, not bad. That's a good thing when it comes to miners. That you see them being around that long, that means they might be around a little longer. And this one right here ain't really pop off yet. Yeah, this joint is not that old. As you can see right here at the bottom, it says right here, they say they came out on the 1st of October. As you can see right here, the contract balance is 1.8 BNBs. Got your balance right there. Earn 10% of what your referrals deposit using your link. So they got a nice little referral program here. You know, you can get down with them and pass it on to your friends and get a little 10% or whatever they put in. I'm just going to sign up for this joint, man. It says 1 BNB hires you 10 million miners. Okay. So 10 million miners will get you 10% of that. 10 million miners will probably get you about $40 a day, huh? I think I'm not going to put in a whole BNB. I'm going to put in a 0.25 BNB. 0.25. Okay, so nice and easy. That's why I like these simple joints, man. I'm just going to buy a 0.25 BNBs. It is just to get started and see how it goes. If it's hot like that, I'm definitely going to jump in. You know, we'll see if it's hot like the beans. Or if it's hot like the BUSD machines. Those are my miners right there, you know what I mean? I'm trying to find some other ones that I can add to the list as well. Maybe this will be in the list. Okay. So, let's see how many miners we get for 0.2. If we get 10 million for a whole BNB, I should get about 3.5 mil. I thought I was gonna get 2.5 mil, but I got 3.5 here. and I am in the game, y'all. I will get back to y'all about this miner and let y'all know what's going on with it. You know what I mean? That's about $100 I put in there. Something like that, about $100. So we'll see what we earn in the morning. And BNBs, I need another good BNB miner. I ain't gonna lie. Anyway, y'all know this ain't no financial advice. This is just me showing y'all what I'm getting into. If you feel that what I'm doing is right for you, then be my guest. I'll leave the link in the description. Anyway, y'all, that's it for me today. Have a beautiful day. Peace out.